Maobisa ma polisi kaunti ya Kiambu ni maende kusimana na mwezi lulua umwe ulokuwetekana ta uwoye andu eli alauthukumana mo na omesia ongikisione cha Mugumo Drive musini wa Kiambu mwezi lulua ukwa isitwa Moses Kigera weto ta usembie itina wa kiko ki bala wende na kumandwa ni maobisa ma polisi maende na kweka ukune kilikumana na kitumi chake cha kutoa kiko ki mawala maiki kwene mwanene wa DCI Kiambu East Stephen Mutua na komanda wa polisi Elema Hassan Kabili na kutueleza.
Maobisa ma polisi kuma kaunti ya Kiambu ni mambisia musako wa kumumantha ula kukonanua na ikusi andwele na alama thukumava mwena kumutia muthukumi ungi umwe na maumisie mwisililwa Moses Kigera ewetekana kwithiwa anaiye mumbini itina wa kutwaisia kiko ki.
Killed two of his colleagues. These are casual workers. Actually, the gentleman who did this act is he was a supervisor, or rather he was a caretaker in that home. So this gentleman was dismissed from work because of indiscipline, sometimes back around 3 or 4 days. Yesterday, this morning he went back. He murdered 2 people, as we have been told. We are following up on him, and it's just a matter of time before we get him.
Kwenana na munene wa isalo kana DCI sub-county ya Kiambu East Stephen Mutua ni kana maobisa ma polisi makitisia miya tutia pamwena miyo ilai kutalika kwithwa inatumikie kumoa.
After the analysis of the scene, we started fresh pursuit of the criminal who still remains at large. Investigations have commenced, and we are yet to arrest him, but we know we are following very serious and critical clues. We know we are going to get the assailants.
Ono wiavo maobisa ma kwika ukunikili ni mawetaka na ukunikili wa ikwisu ni wende palami ya asweli itwa iwe nyumbani ya kusuvia kuya Kiambu level 5 hospital mochari kwikwa ukunikili palana ke muthukumi ulo kwatie maobisi wende na kukwata witi sivitalini usuwa Kiambu level 5.
The scene was confirmed that indeed 2 people had been murdered in a makeshift house, and 1 had been critically injured. The injured victim was rushed to Kiambu level 5 hospital for medical attention.
Ngilivotea vilingwa mauvo neta wa Susan Kavili.